damo gid ka salamat sa inyong pag-welcome nga perti ka init.
And our vloggers for bringing joy to our students.
Today, we are gathered here to witness the turning over ceremony of our ICT room. Through the efforts of our Brigada Escuela 2024 committee, indeed we were able to hit the jackpot through the sponsorship of RKJ Construction.
I believe that this is the first in the division of Bacolod City that we will be having the state-of-the-art nga ICT lab.
Class kaayos ang facility. Kung makita nyo, very nice. Halin sa kisame, sa log, dingding.
Conducive ang learning because nga may enough nga space, may naming nga facilities, kag mas ma-focus ang ilang attention sa learning.
Very thankful mga kami nga para maging comfortable ka sa amon mga pwesto kung paano kami makatuon diri sa eskwela.
So ang point is, at the end of the day, you find who you are. Tanawon nyo, di ka mo sagad. Discover it for yourself. We give the ICT lab because we want all of you to see, base bala may isa, duwa, tatlo, nga maging successful diri, to know how to use a computer. Kaya because we vie for you. We vie for your success.
We know that thank you is not enough for your kindness to Handumana National High School. But you know how grateful we are.
Family first get to help one another. Help each other. Palakpakan na ang RKJ kay sila gabuligid. Kag because of that, they will be blessed more. No mas damo pagid sila maangkon nga blessings.
Indeed, we are very happy today. Though hindi ko ka-express kung ano ko ka-happy.
Damo pa mga bata ang mga estudyante nga mabuligan.
RKJ Construction, the best gid kamuya.
Let this laboratory serve as a beacon of our commitment to fostering skills that will shape the future.